Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries using Nutella. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, a 13-ounce jar of Nutella, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For an extra touch, consider having some sprinkles or finely chopped nuts ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable process for creating your delicious treats. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. Carefully wash your strawberries and make sure they are completely dry. Any moisture will prevent the Nutella from sticking properly. Next, transfer your Nutella into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's smooth and dippable. It should be warm enough to easily coat the strawberries, but not so hot that it cooks them. With your strawberries and melted Nutella ready, it's time for the fun part. Hold each strawberry by its stem or green leaves. Dip it into the warm Nutella, twisting gently to ensure a nice, even coating all around. Lift it out, letting any excess drip off, then place it onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. If you're adding sprinkles or nuts, do so right away before the Nutella sets. Almost done. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, place the baking sheet into the refrigerator. Let them chill for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the Nutella coating is completely set and firm to the touch. Serving them, chilled enhances their deliciousness. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, and any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.